Before anything else, here's our criteria for judging.
The top 5 finalists' criteria for judging. Overall score is 60% and the question and answer is 40% for a grand total of 100%.
Okay, ladies and gentlemen, this is how we'll do it. For the last part, we will only have one common question for the male and one common question for the women. So, we will be putting the other candidates in a holding room where they cannot hear our question. Ang pagkakasunod-sunod po nito, the first gentleman who was announced to enter the top 5 will be the first one to answer, and so on and so forth. So, let me request the list again, sorry. The list of the top 5. We will first need Mr. Tuba to stay with us. The rest of you gentlemen, and the holding room. Follow up the look, okay? Mr. Tuba, please take the center stage. And ladies and gentlemen, just a reminder, quiet please. At the wag kayo taneng. While we do this very critical portion of the pageant, we ask everybody to refrain from doing anything that can distract our candidates. Any noise is prohibited. Pangaasiyo po, no making unnecessary noise. Okay? Our contestants will be having 1 minute to answer the common question. 1 minute. After which, pwede na po kayo mag-ingay. In short, quiet. Okay? Mr. Tuba, are you ready?
I'm ready. Yeah.
Siyempre tataraki ka. Ay, yes, sabihin ko na. Okay. So, anything you would want to say before we read your final question?
Yes. I did not expect to be one of the top 5, and it's a mixture of emotions. But I am glad that I am good.
Anong lasa ng mixture na yan, Mr. Tuba? Anything you want to say to your supporters? They're here early this afternoon until now supporting you. What can you say about them?
Yan! Tuba! Mga supporters ko dyan! Tapos supporters ko sa Kabayan Bugya Center.
Amin ang gayam! Amin ng gayam. Okay! Judges, thumbs up! If we're ready? Okay, good luck to you, judges. Gusto niyo itong trending? Ay, hindi, ayaw natin. Sabi ng asawa mo, oo daw. Okay, you have the most difficult job. And ladies and gentlemen, again, please respect our candidates. No unnecessary noise while our candidates answer. Okay, Mr. Tuba, your question. Are we sure that the candidates are already secured and they cannot hear this? Your question. I'll read the questions twice. Again, you have 1 minute to answer. Your question. How can festivals, traditions, and community rituals contribute to strengthening Benguet's cultural pride? Again, how can festivals, traditions, and community rituals contribute to strengthening Benguet's cultural pride? Mr. Tuba, your 1 minute starts now.
Cultural pride is one of our faces here in Benguet. Now, I will introduce all of you and also to newcomers here in Benguet the practice of Binmadang. Now, today's practice not only brings people together, but it also shows the practice of discipline, integrity, loyalty, resilience, and respect in all people here in Benguet. Now, if we invite people that are not here in Benguet, I would gladly invite all of people here in the Philippines to experience the Binmadang Festival or the Adivay Festival, and I thank you.
Thank you so much for a wonderful answer. Once again, Mr. Tuba. Now may we call on Mr. Kabayan. We now take a rest at the backstage. And next up is Kabayan. Okay ba kayo, Kabayan? Mr. Kabayan is one of the most friendly, energetic, and medyo kolokoy in the group. Mr. Kabayan, how are you feeling?
Yes po.
Okay ka naman?
Yes po.
Okay. Do you have any message to your supporters?
To my supporters, kapamilya, kaibigan, salamat din mo kayo din. And to my Torogi Boys, Awalaki Boys, thank you for coming. And muli na kayo mga mo sa social media, kaya mo kanya yung nagsuporta kanya. Mati na yung mga, muli na salamat kanya yung halamad, at malabahan. Tinagin po.
Thank you. All right. Mr. Kabayan, you will be given 1 minute to answer this question. I will cue the timer. I will read the question twice. Okay, your question. How can festivals, traditions, and community rituals contribute to strengthening Benguet's cultural pride? I'll repeat. How can festivals, traditions, and community rituals contribute to strengthening Benguet's cultural pride? Mr. Kabayan, your 1 minute starts now.
So Adiwa is not just a festival that we celebrate every year, but it is also a reminder for each and every one of us that we have a shared responsibility to share, to protect, and to preserve our roots. And it is who we are. And at the same time, I believe that we have a Republic Act that protects and promotes and recognizes who we are, and at the same time, it gives us the protection on how we should continue to promote, and at the same time, to remind that every youth needs to engage with these activities, and I believe that these activities will be the seed of tomorrow's harvest. Thank you very much.
With 5 more seconds in his time, thank you for the wonderful answer, Mr. Kabayan. You may now take the backstage, and we will now welcome Mr. Bukod. Habang kayo'y nakaupo, pwede rin kayo mag-practice. Malay nyo, isa sa inyo ang ating next na mga candidates. Try to answer this wonderful question in your mind. Di ba? Kasi we also, of course, acknowledge that this is so hard, ladies and gentlemen. Katulad ng mga queens ko dito, di ba? Kahit sa pag nagpa-pageant tayo, no? Alam niyo naman, alam mo, at least it's really hard, so we have to give the biggest respect to this candidate. How are you, Mr. Bukod?
Feeling great, and I'm very thankful that I've been part of the top 5.
Yes, congratulations. Do you have any message to your supporters?
Well, agyaman ang kanya yung amin, despite the challenges that we came here, maraming salamat because despite mahirap po talaga, but my family and friends are always here. Kahit nasa online lang sila, nakichill.
Yes. Kaya nga tulad ng sinabi ko kanina, it is not even close to being easy, so please, let's acknowledge their efforts. Dahil napakahirap ng kanilang ginagawa, mas papahirapan pa kita. Because this is your final question. Mr. Bukod, we will be giving you 1 minute to answer. I will read the question twice. This is your question. How can festivals, traditions, and community rituals contribute to strengthening Benguet's cultural pride? Once again, how can festivals, traditions, and community rituals contribute to strengthening Benguet's cultural pride? Your 1 minute starts now.
Well, festivals in culture, as we all know, we celebrate Adivay Festival. And that Adivay Festival doesn't only reflect unity, but how people come together despite differences. We came from different municipalities, but as one, we celebrate Adivay because we have that value of unity. And unity is one of the strengths of Ibinget people. Despite adversaries, in even and celebration, we disregard our differences and come together as one. And then as always remember that unity without unity doesn't stand alone, because unity is the heart in the core that unites us all together as people of Benguet, as province of Benguet. Thank you.
Mr. Bukod! Thank you. Thank you so much, Mr. Benguet. Please take a breath. Rest at the backstage while we welcome Mr. Atot. You can actually feel their, of course, their nerves, them being nervous and them being emotional. So grabe, after this, nanalo man o hindi ang mga kandidato ninyo, please, let them feel the love. Let them feel the care. Dahil they did, all of them, they did a great job tonight. Katulad nitong lalaking ito. Hello, Mr. Atot. Oh, you have a very beautiful dimple, huh? Okay, Mr. Atot, as the rest of your co-candidates, do you want to say anything to your supporters?
I would like to thank every supporters out there, and lahat po tayong andito ngayon na sumusuporta sa NMB. Maraming salamat po sa pagpunta. And thank you so much.
Thank you. You can adjust the height of the mic kung saan kayo komportable, taas mo lang. Okay. Mr. Atot, we will be giving you 1 minute to answer this common question. I will read the question twice. Okay? Your question. How can festivals, traditions, and community rituals contribute to strengthening Benguet's cultural pride? Once again, how can festivals, traditions, and community rituals contribute to strengthening Benguet's cultural pride? Mr. Atot, your 1 minute starts now.
Okay, so this question reminds me of the heart and soul of Benguet. It reflects the people who are working very hard to provide for their family. And festivals, tradition, our culture, it is not just for celebrations or presentations. It is our way of life. This is our identity. So Benguet, please, let's all come together as one and let us protect our treasures for our future generations to relish our treasure and for our culture to be cherished as well. That's all. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Mr. Atot! Pwede ka na makahinga, Mr. Atot. Please take your backstage to rest and breathe. Bakit sumilamot ang mga judges natin? Minsan din ang pinaka-relax na position but also the hardest. So good luck to you. And we know that with your help, we can identify our Mr. and Miss Benguet 2025. Let's welcome on stage Mr. Kibulan! Mr. Kibulan, you have won a lot of awards tonight. Nabilang mo ba kung ilan? Hindi. Okay. But, do you have any message to your supporters? Please take this opportunity.
Hello everyone, most especially to my mom watching abroad. I love you mom, I hope you're proud. And to my municipality, Kibuman, hello, saan po kayo? Kanina po kayo nahanap ang Kibuman. Hello Kibuman. Thank you so much for coming here and supporting me. And I hope everyone is proud. And yeah, got it.
Yes, I'm sure they are indeed proud. Okay, Mr. Kibulan, we will be giving you 1 minute to answer. I will read your question twice. Okay, your question. How can festivals, traditions, and community community rituals contribute to strengthening Benguet's cultural pride? Once again, Mr. Kibungan, how can festivals, traditions, and community rituals contribute to strengthening Benguet's cultural pride? Your 1 minute starts now.
One word, Adiba. Happy Adiba, everyone. And I'd like everyone to know, most especially people outside of the Cordillera, Adiba means coming together. It is the togetherness. And with the 30 municipalities that we have here, we are a diverse province. And our diversity is not a weakness. It's not a barrier. It is strength. Because coming together, celebrating, showing our inclusivity and being one is how we can preserve our culture. By showing to the youth how we wear our traditions, that our identity is not just word but lived. It is the lifeblood of our province, and Benguet will forever flourish as long as we come together, because unity is our superpower. And as one Benguet, as one people and one purpose, as your Mr. Benguet, if given the chance, I will champion progress without the cost of our heritage. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Mr. Kibungan! And that's a wrap for our misters. I wonder what the community in the online platform are talking about right now. Kasi maganda nyo nakikibasa ka sa comments, agad katawa ka lang eh. Kasi pati sila nag-aaway-away ka sa comment section. So hello to you, online world! We hope that you're also enjoying and feeling this nervousness that we feel here live sa ating venue. Okay, so let's begin with the question and answer for our ladies. Starting off with Miss Bukod. Nasa na mga supporters ni Miss Bukod? Saktong-sakto ata kayo sa spotlight. Ayun! Sige, ngayon pwede pa kayo makingay. Pag later on, you will not be allowed. Hello! Miss Bukod, narinig mo ba yung questions sa mga gentlemen?
Hindi po.
Perfect. Okay. Try lang natin. Okay, Miss Bukod, how are you feeling?
Actually, I'm nervous, pero excited din naman po.
Yes, and congratulations, you made it this far.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you so much, and thank you also. I would like also to take this opportunity to thank my municipality, the municipality of Bukod.
Napasalamatan na kayo ng aking anak. Okay, Miss Bukod, this is how we'll do the question and answer. You will be given 1 minute to answer the question. I will read the question twice. Okay, are you ready? And to everyone's knowledge, our question for our misses is different from the gentlemen. Your question. Benguet celebrates its 125th foundation anniversary with the theme, A Culture to Cherish, a Treasure to Relish. What aspect of Benguet culture do you cherish the most, and how will you help preserve it for the next generation? Once again, Ms. Bukod, Benguet celebrates its 125th foundation anniversary with the theme, A Culture to Cherish, a Treasure to Relish. What aspect of Benguet culture do you cherish the most, and how will you help preserve it for the next generation? Your 1 minute starts now.
As for me, I think what I would like to cherish the most is the celebration of this Adibay, because Adibay, it means coming together as one. The 13 municipalities come together as one to share our culture and traditions to each and every one of us who attends this festival. And I believe I would help in preserving this by of course, being knowledgeable on what is within our Adibay festival and sharing it to the youth. For instance, sharing it on our social media platforms, and as well as being the person who is involved in that festival. And I believe that through this, each and every one of us can help in preserving our culture and traditions. For I believe that this festival would...
Your 1 minute. And
Thank you.
Thank you so much, Miss Bacon, ladies and gentlemen. Palakpakan naman po natin siya. You may now take your rest at the backstage. Thank you. As we welcome our second candidate, and that is Miss La Trinidad. Thank you so much. Hello, Miss La Trinidad. Congratulations to you. Ganda ng lipstick ng batang ko, shining, shimmering. Okay, Miss La Trinidad, before anything else, do you want to say anything to your supporters?
Yes, I'm very, very happy to see my family and my municipality here. Viva La Trinidad!
Okay, so are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, mukha naman. Hinawakan na yung mic. Ready na ready. Okay, Ms. Trinidad, you have 1 minute to answer the question. I will read your question twice. Your question. Benguet celebrates its 125th foundation anniversary with the theme, A Culture to Cherish, A Treasure to Relish. What aspect of Benguet culture do you cherish the most? And how will you help preserve it for the next generation? Once again, Benguet celebrates its 125th foundation anniversary with the theme, A Culture to Cherish, A Treasure to Relish. What aspect of Benguet culture do you cherish the most? And how will you help preserve it for the next generation? Your 1 minute starts now.
I believe that healthier Benguet begins with the choices that we make every day. And I would like to start with our advocacy, which is Tapay, taking actions in preserving our traditions by empowering the youth. Through this, we are able to empower not just young people, but connect with our elders and ancestors who has passed down these traditions to us. And I believe, as a proud Igorot of Benguet, we have to connect heritage and health, because without being able to connect these two, we won't be able to thrive. So, if we connect each other for the benefit of our province, we would be flourishing in cherishing and relishing a future of Benguet forever. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Miss La Trinidad. Going back to Chris at the backstage area. Thank you. Okay na ka na rin. Okay ba kayo sa sagot? Okay. Isang drum pa ulit dyan. Wala. Pag ako naman ba. Now let's welcome our next candidate, Miss Tuba! Miss Tuba, please take the center stage. And hinga. Okay, okay na yan. And please, Miss Tuba, do you have any message to your supporters?
To my support system, thank you for coming here tonight, and I hope that I would make you proud after this night. So let us all make our night enjoyable, and may the other municipalities as well enjoy this tonight. Thank you so much.
I guess so. I guess we're all enjoying. Tama ba? Nag-enjoy pa ba kayo? Okay. Up. Quiet na. Okay. Miss Tuba, we will be giving you 1 minute to answer. I will read your question twice. Okay? Your question. Benguet celebrates its 125th foundation anniversary with the theme, A Culture to Cherish, A Treasure to Relish. What aspect of Benguet culture do you cherish the most, and how will you help preserve it for the next generation? Once again, Benguet celebrates its 125th foundation anniversary with the theme, A Culture to Cherish, A Treasure to Relish. What aspect of Benguet culture do you cherish the most, and how will you help preserve it for the next generation? Miss Tuba, your 1 minute starts now.
Our Benguet Benguet holds a lot of potential and intrinsic value. And the aspect of our culture that I would like to highlight is our Adibayan. The very reason why our land still thrives after this day is because of us, the people of Benguet, who face adversities with grit, calmness, and solidarity. And here in our province, no one is left behind because the spirit of Bingnadang, synergy, is living within all of us. Let's continue to nurture this and pass it forward to our next generations so that we can create a branding for Benguet that does not simply endure, but also it echoes, it strengthens, and it conquers. Thank you so much. Happy Adibayan!
Maraming salamat rin, Miss Chuma. Please take the rest. You deserve it. Thank you so much. And we're down to 2 candidates. Let's go then, Miss Inogon. Grabe. Ang gaganda, ang gagwapo with a heart and a brain. All of them are equally beautiful, talented, and smart. Hello, Miss Inogon. How are you?
Good evening. I was actually anxious a while ago because some people say I look like Atisa, and I almost had my Atisa moment during the gown. So thankfully, I was able to balance myself.
Yes, and that happens. Ganyan talaga tayo sa Beauty Queens moment natin. But before anything else, your fans are really loud supporting you. Do you have any message for them?
Hello to my family and friends out there. Thank you so much for being here. Being here and supporting me. I love you so much.
I love you too. So kayo mata, ha? Okay. No, pagkati I love you, I love you to you. Pero syempre, two-way. Okay. Miss Inogon, this is how we'll do it. You will be given 1 minute to answer the final question, and we will read the question twice. Are you ready? Okay, your question. Benguet celebrates its 125th foundation anniversary with the theme, "A culture to cherish, a treasure to relish." What aspect of Benguet culture do you cherish the most? And how will you help preserve it for the next generation? I'll read it again. Benguet celebrates its 125th foundation anniversary with the theme, "A culture to cherish, a treasure to relish." What aspect of Benguet culture do you cherish the most, and how will you help preserve it for the next generation? Your 1 minute starts now.
One culture I want to preserve and cherish forever is our collaboration, or in our word, the Bingnadang. Because this is where we see diverse communities coming together, and I will help preserve this by using modernization, using our digital platforms and other tools that make us able to put life in our culture. Let us remember that the social media, the digital platforms are not hindrance in preserving our culture. Instead, it amplifies our culture, our tradition, and it preserves it for the future generation to see how we live today and in the hopes that the next 125 years they will see how we work together as one. Agbyag Benguet!
Thank you so much, Inogon! Thank you! Makakahinga ka na. Oh, careful! No, at least a moment. Okay. And down to our last candidate, Miss Bakun! Of course, we know that our online viewers already have a bet this moment. Dahil nag-compare na nila, nag-debate na rin sila sa mga sagot. You can tune in as well, of course, our live audience. Para ganahan din ang ating mga putak na mag-isip para sa ating final question. Hello!
Hi, Mom!
Hello, Miss Bakun. How are you feeling? And you are the last person.
Yes, just like before, I was number 13 and now I am top 5, so it's really quite a journey.
Yes, pero sabi nga nila, gas-gas man, last but not the least. Okay, your supporters.
Okay, to everyone supporting me, iya man, salamat sa support tayo kararagyo. Thank you so much for believing in me.
Alright, so Ms. Bakut, you will be given 1 minute to answer the question. I will read your question twice. Okay? Are you ready? Your question. Benguet celebrates its 125th founding anniversary with the theme, a culture to cherish, a treasure to relish. What aspect of Benguet culture do you cherish the most? And how will you help preserve it for the next generation? I will read it again. Benguet celebrates its 125th foundation anniversary with the theme, a culture to cherish, a treasure to relish. What aspect of Benguet culture do you cherish the most? And how will you help preserve it for the next generation? Ms. Bakut, your 1 minute starts now.
Okay, good evening everyone. As someone who is from Bacon, I have witnessed the beauty of our culture, the beauty of our traditions. And I have noticed that one of our cultural values that we should really cherish is how resilient we are when it comes to the different calamities, the different problems that we are currently facing right now. Let us be honest, we are facing a lot of problems when it comes to corruption, just like what I have mentioned in my talent. And I do believe that even we are facing that right now, we can come together as one. Because I believe that we are resilient people. We are not just people who comes together to celebrate, but we are also the companion of everyone when it comes to dealing with problems. And I think it is really beautiful.
Your 1 minute is over. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
A round of applause, please, for Ms. Bakun. Thank you. You may now take your rest. At maya-maya, ladies and gentlemen, malalaman na natin ang mga nanalo at kukoronahan. And finally, our Mr. and Miss Benguet 2025. Palakpakan naman po natin ang ating top 5 Misters and top 5 Misses. But before we crown another male and another female, of course we have to bid goodbye to some